Everybody is talking about the Apple ecosystem, but nobody is talking about this. So, hello and welcome back, guys. My name is Rayyan, and you're watching Android Explode. So, in this video, I want to share with you three key features that make the Android plus Windows ecosystem much better than the Apple side of things. Now, if you go ahead and if you had searched for any video on YouTube searching related to Apple's ecosystem, people like to show off features such as handoff, continuity, or iMessage, or AirDrop, and whatnot. So, those features are those features are also available on the Windows side of things as well as Android. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you three such features. And with that said, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, as I'll be dropping new videos about Android and tips and tricks, customization, and as well as Windows every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So with that said, let's get started. The first feature that I would like to touch on is notifications and synchronization between your Android as well as your Windows. So if you have connected your phone through to your laptop through the phone link application, and by the way, I'll be making a video on how to basically get this all set up, so be on the lookout for that. Turn on the notification so you don't miss it. So with that said, let's get on. Now, if you have connected the phone through to your Windows through the phone link application, you can basically have your phone in another room as well. If you have the same Wi-Fi connected, you can have all of your notifications sync through to your Windows laptop. Isn't that such a great? Because you don't have to go and search for your phone or find out where it is to see all your notifications. You can definitely go ahead and open your Windows laptop's notification center, and you can see all of your notifications from your phone. And on top of that, you can also see all of your incoming messages as well as start new conversations. Now that brings me to the second point. Phone calls as well as messages synchronized through to your Windows PC. Now, let's say you have your phone in your sitting room or living room, or maybe you are in the bedroom with your PC doing some work, and you happen to have a phone call incoming. You don't have to go and get up and go and find your phone and then answer the call. No, you can basically answer the call through your Windows laptop, through your phone, through your Windows microphone. So ease of use, productivity 100%. Now, now coming to messages. Now, messages as well is very similar. You can open the phone link application and see all of your all of your messages history as well as your call history, and you can basically type in the mobile number that you want to start a conversation with, and easily start a conversation with that. Now, this feature is not limited to SMSs only, as it can also do WhatsApp, Telegram, as well as other messaging platforms that you might be using. Now, the coming to the third and final point of final feature that I would like to touch on is a very useful feature for content creators such as myself, is basically universal file sharing. Now, with that, now you if you have used an iPhone basically before, you might be accustomed to basically sharing your files through AirDrop or whatnot. Now, with the Windows side of things, you have features such as quick share or local send or whatever. But with the phone link application, you don't need to do any of that. You just open the phone link application and find the specific file you want and drag and drop it to your desktop as if it's on a folder on your PC. And this works vice versa as well. So you can go ahead and basically find the phone link application on your phone and drag and drop any file from your PC over to your Android phone. Isn't that great? And it's very wonderful because now these videos I've been shooting on my Pixel 6 Pro. I can basically drag all these files through to my Windows laptop and start editing. 100% productivity and ease of use. Now, with that said, this is the conclusion of the video. I've been using the Windows ecosystem plus Android ecosystem to my advantage, and it has basically increased my productivity 100%. Now, it's easy to set up. And as I said, I'll be making a video on how you can set things up. It's basically just like on the Apple, just like on the Apple side of things. You just need to sign into your Outlook email address through your phone as well as your Windows laptop. With that said, this is Ryan, and I'm signing out.